If you're looking to create personalized items with vibrant colors and professional results, then this video is for you. Today we're going to explore the best Epson printers for sublimation. Perfect models for printing on textiles, mugs, coasters, and many other materials. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, you'll know exactly which printer to choose for your creative projects. As always, I've left the links to all the products in the description. Now let's get started with the list. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET15000. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 is a multifunction printer capable of printing, copying, and scanning with a maximum paper size of up to 13 by 19 inches, ideal for large format sublimation projects. This printer stands out thanks to its refillable ink tank system, offering up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color, providing significant savings compared to traditional cartridges while reducing waste. In the box, you'll find the printer, ink bottles, power cord, and user manual. It's essential to remove all the blue protective materials inside before powering it on. Once set up, you can fill the tanks with specialized sublimation ink. For each color, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, make sure to use the correct ink in the corresponding tank. Modern sublimation bottles are designed for easy filling by simply inverting them without squeezing, ensuring precise and spill-free refills. The printer supports wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi and can connect to multiple devices simultaneously, including computers, smartphones, and tablets. The main tray holds up to 250 sheets of standard paper, while the rear tray accommodates larger media up to 13 by 19 inches, offering great flexibility for photo and sublimation printing. It also includes automatic duplex printing for standard documents. To convert this printer into a sublimation solution, simply replace the standard ink with sublimation ink. It's crucial never to use regular ink for sublimation, as this can compromise print quality and damage the process. After filling the tanks, allow the ink to initialize for about 10 minutes before the first print. Print settings should be adjusted for sublimation, select the correct paper type, enable the mirror option so images transfer correctly, and set the quality to high for vibrant, precise colors. Finally, the printer is easy to install on Windows or Mac via the official Epson website and allows you to create custom presets for your sublimation projects. It's an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate users seeking a reliable, cost-effective printer capable of handling large formats for high-quality sublimated creations. In summary, the Epson EcoTank ET15000 combines versatility, economy, and print quality, especially when used with sublimation ink. Whether for large format photo projects, personalized creations, or sublimated items, this printer offers a reliable and durable solution. Its refillable tank system, multi-device compatibility, and large format capabilities make it an excellent choice for creators and small businesses alike. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET8550. The Epson EcoTank ET8550 is a large format printer capable of producing prints up to 13 inches wide, or roughly 33 by 48 centimeters. It stands out for its ease of use and seamless integration into home or semi-professional workflows. Thanks to its EcoTank system, you no longer have to worry about traditional cartridges. Refillable ink bottles are all you need to supply the tanks, significantly reducing the cost per print and environmental impact, as Epson is a pioneer in this technology. For 4 by 6 inch prints, the cost can drop to just a few cents per photo, making it ideal for sublimation or small, regular print runs. The printer is fast and fully Wi-Fi compatible, allowing wireless printing from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Image management is simplified through the Epson Print Layout app, which offers precise control over dimensions, borders, and print quality. You can prepare your files directly from an iPad or computer, select your paper, including sublimation paper, and start printing in just a few clicks. The electronic paper tray, along with built-in USB and SD ports, adds great flexibility for printing images or creative projects quickly and effortlessly. In terms of quality, it delivers sharp prints with accurate colors and fine details, perfect for sublimation projects on textiles, mugs, or personalized items. Even portraits or complex landscape photos come out with excellent precision and smooth color gradients. While some adjustments require processing one image at a time from a tablet, the overall experience remains smooth and enjoyable. Finally, the initial investment in this printer is easily offset by long-term savings thanks to the bottled ink and the printer's durability. In summary, the Epson ET8550 combines ease of use, exceptional print quality, and ink cost savings thanks to its EcoTank system. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a creator of personalized content, or looking to get started with sublimation, this printer offers excellent value and simplifies all your printing needs. With it, your projects come to life quickly, easily, and with professional results. Number 1. Epson SureColor F170. The Epson SureColor F170 is a printer specifically designed for sublimation, ideal for personalized creations on textiles and various other items. Unlike standard printers, it uses a special ink that, when combined with sublimation paper, allows designs to be transferred onto polyester or polyester-coated surfaces using heat. This includes t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, coasters, metal, hardboard, and many other compatible materials. The box includes the F170 printer, 4 colors of sublimation ink, a power cord, a quick start guide, and a carrying bag. What's not included but essential is Epson's sublimation paper. For optimal results and to preserve the warranty, it is recommended to use only Epson ink and paper. The printer can handle media up to 8.5 by 14 inches, supporting both portrait and landscape printing. Setting up the printer is simple. Place it on a stable surface, remove all packaging and protective materials, then fill each ink tank individually. The ink flows automatically into the tanks, and a full fill takes about 90 seconds per color. Once the tanks are filled, power on the printer, select the language, and the ink will be automatically charged. Nozzle checks and alignment ensure optimal print quality from the first use. For printing, it offers 2 built-in color profiles, one for rigid surfaces and one for textiles. These profiles produce vibrant colors, whether printing from Photoshop, Word, or any other software. Make sure to place the shiny side of the sublimation paper facing the printer and use high-quality settings with the mirror option for textiles. Once printed, the design is applied to the surface using heat-resistant tape and protected with appropriate paper. Sublimation is done with a heat press at around 204 degrees Celsius for about 60 seconds. The results are permanent and require no additional sealing, delivering professional quality output straight from the printer. This printer is particularly suitable for small to medium businesses or home creators, thanks to its easy setup, multi-software compatibility, and consistent results. To maintain optimal performance, it is recommended to use the printer regularly and follow the maintenance steps provided in the Epson guide. Epson customer support is also available for assistance with colors or printer operation. This printer is particularly suitable for small to medium businesses or home creators, thanks to its easy setup, multi-software compatibility, and consistent results. To maintain optimal performance, it is recommended to use the printer regularly and follow the maintenance steps provided in the Epson guide. Epson customer support is also available for assistance with colors or printer operation. That's it. We've covered the best Epson printers for sublimation and how they can elevate your creative projects. I hope this video helps you choose the printer that best suits your needs, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your activity to the next level. Don't forget to leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming top picks and tech tips. See you soon for more creative discoveries.